Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But before we start, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So for today's video, let's talk about on how to earn money on VIPKid. VIPKid is an online education company that connects English-speaking teachers with Chinese students for one-on-one English language instruction. Teachers could earn money by teaching English online through VIPKid. Here's how the VIPKid platform generally works. Teacher recruitment. VIPKid recruits teachers from English-speaking countries who meet their qualifications, which typically include a bachelor's degree, some teaching experience, and eligibility to work in their home country. Online teaching. Teachers use the VIPKid platform to conduct live, one-on-one English lessons with Chinese students. These lessons are typically 25 minutes long and follow a curriculum provided by VIPKid. The curriculum is designed to be interactive and engaging, often using a variety of teaching materials such as slides, videos, and props. Teachers can set their own schedules, allowing for flexibility in when and how much they work. However, most students in China are available for lessons during peak hours, which often means early mornings or evenings for teachers in North America, due to the time zone difference. Payment. VIPKid pays its teachers based on a predetermined rate per class, and teachers receive their payments on a monthly basis. The rate may vary based on a teacher's qualifications and performance. VIPKid became popular for its flexible work-from-home opportunities and the ability for teachers to earn income by teaching English online. Please note that my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021, and there may have been developments or changes in VIPKid's operations or the online education industry since then. Here are the general steps to earn money on VIPKid. First is meet the requirements. Be a native English speaker from the United States or Canada. Have a bachelor's degree in any field. Have some teaching experience or be willing to gain it. Access to a computer with a stable internet connection, a webcam, and a headset. Next, create a VIPKid teacher account. First, visit the VIPKid website. Second, complete the application form. Lastly, follow the instructions to submit necessary documents such as your degree certificate and teaching certifications, if any. Next, interview and mock class. Once your application is accepted, you will have an interview with a VIPKid recruiter. You may also be asked to complete a mock class, where you simulate a lesson with a VIPKid mentor to assess your teaching abilities. Next, pass background check. VIPKid conducts a background check to ensure the safety of its students. Create an engaging teacher profile showcasing your qualifications and personality. Teach classes. When a student books a class with you, you will receive a notification and conduct your lessons via the VIPKid platform. Payment. VIPKid pays its teachers on a per-lesson basis. Your earnings depend on your qualifications, experience, and the number of classes you teach. Attend training and workshops. VIPKid may offer ongoing training and workshops to help you improve your teaching skills and earn more money. Build a reputation. Good reviews and positive feedback from students can lead to more bookings and higher earnings. Please keep in mind that VIPKid's policies and procedures can change over time, and there may have been developments in the platform or the online teaching industry since my last update. I recommend visiting the VIPKid website or contacting their support for the most up-to-date information on how to become a VIPKid teacher and earn money on the platform. Remember that your earnings on VIPKid will depend on factors like your qualifications, teaching ability, the number of classes you teach, and student demand. It may take some time to build a consistent schedule and maximize your income, but many teachers have found success on the platform with dedication and effort. So that's it, guys. Hope you learned something. Before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.